Hey, yo, Mace, you know what I don't like? Why you over there? You know the haters, they wanna be tough guys all of a sudden.
Why you over there looking at me?
Hit you with the ice grill, you know?
Why you over there looking
Cause your boys ain't with
Mama girl standing here.
you. Little do they know,
Why you over there looking at me? Mama
girl
standing here.
roll harder than
Why you over there
some of your niggas.
Mama girl standing here.
You did?
Now what the hell is you looking for? Can a young man get money anymore? Let my pants sag down to the floor. Really do it matter as long as I score? Can't my car look better than yours? Can I have a bad bitch without no flaws? Come to see me without no drawers. In a stretch Lex with about 10 doors. I was murdered, P. Diddy named me pretty. Did it for the money, now can you get with me? Girls get dizzy, niggas on the block, no makes my toe. One thing about Harlem World, we all got dough. 98 Tahoe, Tommy and a Roscoe. Case I'm ever chased by Donnie Brasco.
Why you over there looking at me? Mama girl standing here.
Baby, come on.
Why you over there looking at me? Mama girl standing here.
What?
Why you over there looking at me? Mama girl standing here.
TV's really what I know ya. Now me and Blink float in a gold rover, so it's only right to get the cool show. You got a girl, don't be real fitted. Face real fitted, you got to deal with it. Come on,
Why you over there
don't
looking
stop.
at me?
Come
Mama
on,
girl
we
standing
won't
here.
stop. Come on.
Why you over there looking at me? Mama girl standing here.
Make it hot, baby, make it hot.
Come on,
Make it hot, baby, make it hot.
come on, come
Make
on.
it hot, baby, make it hot. Come on, make it hot, baby, make it
Don't
hot.
stop.
Come on,
We
make it
was
hot.
all at the Greek Fest. It's hot and sandy. I rent scooters. I'm with my family.
right.
Tank top, flip flop.
what?
Really nothing fancy.
Come on.
But get approached by a girl named Tammy,
I like
who
that.
look good enough to be Miss Miami. Peeps call her Candy. Then she start to ask about Aaliyah and Brandy, telling me how she met Puff down at the Grammy. He ain't tell you I was the one with no panties, boo. You know how many he meet with no panties? Please tell me something that I don't know. Like if we have sex, you don't want dough. And if it's not a problem, you can meet me in 10. I'll be in room 112 and bring 4 friends. And if you gon' hit me, it gotta be a quickie. And please no hickeys, cause wifey's with me.
That's right.
Why you
And
over
you
there
don't
looking
stop.
at me?
We
Mama
won't
girl
stop.
standing
You don't
here.
stop. Come on.
Why you over there looking at me? Mama girl standing here.
Do you like what you see?
Why you over there looking
Why
at
you
me?
looking at me?
Mama girl standing here.
You don't like what you see?
Why you over there looking at me? Mama girl standing here. Why you over there looking at me?
Come on.
Mama girl standing here.
Do you like what you see?
Why you over there